Very good morning, grade 10 CBSE students. Today I, Tarun sir, is going to describe the summary of glimpses of India. First of all, students, this entire title is divided into three parts. Number 1, Baker from Goa. Number 2, Coorg. And number 3, tea from Assam. So I'll start with the first part, that is Baker from Goa. Very interesting chapter because it will talk about the ancient Goa. Portuguese culture, yes, they had bought the culture of bread, wearing long frock kind of a dress. They used to prepare bread, they used to sell bread in the streets of Goa, and the narrator still recalls his childhood and he knows it very well that these Portuguese were left behind by their ancestors. The ancestors, though they might have disappeared, but their sons started to continue with their professions. They are also known as padders, P-A-D-E-R-S. The narrator remembers that amazing smell of the bread. The narrator remembers that third sound of the bamboo stick when they used to enter into the streets of Goa. These bakers used to come twice to sell the bread, and there was an amazing culture of two types of bread. Number 1, bol or sweet bread. Number 2, bolinas or coconut cookies. Without these kind of food items, the marriage ceremonies, festivals, engagements were of no use. So that at that point of time there was no such thing as cake and all. It was bread. And remember this, it is because of Portuguese only in Goa that one profession came into existence, and that has earned a lot of name and fame and money, that is bakery. These Portuguese used to collect the bills at the end of the month, and whenever you pass by their house, you could smell that delicious bread. They were very kind in nature. In today's date also, you will see Goanese culture has the culture of bread and all. The narrator also mentions one very amazing thing, that whenever they used to sell the bread outside the doorstep, the maid servants used to collect it. The children used to love the bread in the form of bread bangles. In today's date, the bread bangles are known as donuts. Don't write all this donuts and all. I'm just like clarifying things. Bread bangles, a circle in between. So the chapter is very simple, and in maximum cases you will get this chapter in the form of extract, 1 mark. So the important part is bol bread, bolinas, padders, what did they wear, third sound of the bamboo stick, when did they collect the bills at the end of the month, how did the children love to eat bread in the form of bread bangles. So this is Lucio Rodrigues is the writer of the chapter. So this is the first part, my dear students. I would be posting the video of the rest of the parts very soon. Thank you so much. God bless you all.